In this video, I will show you the other feature that Trading Central provides that is called Economic Insight, where the traders can plan trades around the key events. Again, we go to View, click on Navigator, and go to Expert Advisors. Click on Drag Trading Central into the chart. Click on here and the two boxes here and click on OK. And you will see the pop-up box again from Trading Central, and we click on Economic Insights. And here it shows the list of the important economics events and data releases, such as GDP reports, employment figures, and central bank announcements, as well as non-farm payrolls, etc. By knowing when these events are scheduled, traders can plan their trades to take advantage of the potential market volatility. So on the left-hand side, you will be able to select the time frame of the events. You can see the events that already happened last week, or the events that are happening this week, and all the upcoming events. On the filters part, you can select the importance of these events, whether it has low impact, medium impact, or the high impact. And the event type as well, whether it is the economic events or the holidays, or you can select both. And down there, you can select the countries as well. The economic events often have a significant impact on the market movements. By staying informed about upcoming events, traders can better understand and anticipate market reactions, allowing them to position themselves advantageously. And also, knowing when high-impact economic events are scheduled, this can help to the traders to manage risk more effectively. The traders can adjust their positions, set the appropriate stop loss orders, or decide to stay out of the market during the particular volatile periods. Let's take Friday as example. And here you can see all the events that are scheduled for this Friday. And the high impact news are, for example, personal income, personal spending. On this side, you can see the actual number and the previous figure. If you want to be notified before the event, you just need to click here and add to the calendar. And let's look at the event chart. On here, you can see all the events that happen every month related to the personal income, where you can see the actual figure and the forecast figure. And on the price chart, it shows how these events impacted the price movement, for example, GDP US dollar. And you will be able to see the volatility in the market 15 minutes after the event, or 1 hour, 4 hours, or even just 5 minutes after the event. And you will be able to see the impact, the actual impact of the price movements on the events. And here it tells you in detail.